Welcome back to Things That Fold. Today we are going to be unboxing the BB charger. It's an all-in-one wall charger that has the cable included. We were actually sent this product to review by BB Charger, so full disclosure, but it looks fantastic. So let's see what we have. Okay, so you can see on the front of the box that it says micro USB. It does also come in USB-C and lightning cable, so you can find something for pretty much any device. 31 inches retractable cord and use for tablets and phones. There's a little more information that we'll get to. Over here it says that the retractable cord eliminates tangled cords. We will be doing a full review later and we'll see how that holds up, but just so you can see what the packaging says. Now on the back it gives you a few more specs. One interesting thing is that it does have an additional USB port, so you can charge two things at the same time, which that sounds very appealing. And it has 2.1 amps for charging, and it prevents juice jacking. It talks a little bit about that on the other side of the box, about how your data can be stolen because it can be transmitted from your phone to wherever you're charging it, and this cable doesn't transmit your data, it keeps it safe. So let's open the box. Now this comes in a variety of different patterns. We were given white, which I think is a classy look, goes with everything, unobtrusive. I'm a big fan, but if it's more you, they have some really nice designs. Okay, so let's get this box open, and this is a true unboxing. We haven't opened it in advance, so let's discover this together. Okay, so this looks pretty cool. We have here the charger. Now it's larger than I expected it to be and a little bit heavy for its size, but that might speak to the quality. That might be a good thing. I don't know. We'll find out. We'll review it. We'll let you know. It's very glossy, which is hard to tell in the box, but it feels smooth. It feels nice in your hand. You can see it on my hand for scale. There's a little tiny light here, which probably shows you that it's plugged in, a feature that I love on chargers. If you flip it to the side, you'll see that extra USB port that they mentioned. And my favorite part, the prongs. They go in so that way you can keep your purse or your backpack or even just your pocket mess free. Very sleek. I love that. And let's check out the actual cable. It looks like it comes from here and you just pull it out. Cool. It's a nice flat one. I think that's what they were talking about when they said it didn't get tangled. It's not going to knot up on you, which is cool. And that button retracts it, which we'll take a look at further, of course, when we do a review video. There is some kind of notch here that looks like you can use something to thread it onto, maybe to hang it. I'm not really sure. We'll take a closer look at that, of course. There is a short instruction paper right here. It's showing that it has a 1-year limited warranty, which is actually pretty cool. A lot of the nameless chargers that you can get real cheap, they break like that. So just based on the heft and the construction and the 1-year warranty, this doesn't feel like one of those chargers that you'll use 5 times and then suddenly it's broken. I think that this, just from my initial impression, might be a little bit more durable. Again, to be determined after we test it out. We'll show you our review, but it looks promising. All right, well, thanks for joining us at Things That Fold. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Twitter for more unboxings and reviews.